Welcome to the brand new 231RK XPLOR floor plan. 29.6 overall length, 6,100 pounds. Great little couples unit. As you can see, we'll start off in the back. Great cabinetry, great storage, lots of cabinet space, lots of drawer space, lots of countertop space. You also have the countertop space here with your 8 shoe cupboards with 2 drawers above it. You got recep on both sides of the dinette that's easy accessible. You have your theater seats directly across from the TV. And then you also have 2 big windows that both slide and open to allow for nice cross ventilation and airflow. The other cool thing is we got the 12-volt fridge in here with the pantry located right beside it. So in this small unit, you have lots of storage space, lots of countertop space. When the slide room is in, you still have access to your refrigerator. And then this is a double entrance floor plan, so you have access to the bedroom and bathroom when the slide room is closed and traveling. Come join me up in the bathroom bedroom area. So now we're up here in the bathroom bedroom area. You got your nice big walk-through bath, wide doors. Both of them are pocket doors. You got nice linen closet here, countertop space, towel bar, medicine cabinet, and more storage space underneath the sink. When you walk in the bedroom, you obviously have the second entrance, but you also get this little wardrobe here, a couple hooks up there, your little shoe cubby, or not shoe cubby, but little cubby space here, 2 drawers here, and then you have your your shelves here on both sides of the wardrobe that you get. 3 shelves here plus your cubby over here. And it is a 60 by 80 queen bed, so yeah, it's a nice residential size bed, and then all of our lights are on the switches as well. So here's your bedroom bathroom area of the Transcend XPLOR 231RK. Thank you.